Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to set daily usage time on Instagram app. Friends, if you feel you are giving more than required time on Instagram app and want to limit Instagram use, then you simply need to open Instagram app. Now here you need to press on profile picture. Now press on three lines. Here you will find settings and privacy. Press on it. In settings and privacy, press on time spent. Now here you will find your daily average time spent on Instagram. If you feel it is quite high, then you simply need to press on set daily time limit. Now here you can set time limit to 15 minutes or 30 minutes or 45 minutes or as per your requirement. I am selecting 30 minutes for me and press on done. Now I have set 30 minutes daily time limit to use Instagram. So friends, like this you can very easily set daily usage time limit on Instagram. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.